When it comes to illuminating your hospitality property, we recommend choosing professionals, certified lighting technicians that pay attention to every detail to get it just right. All outdoor lighting is not created equal, and neither are outdoor lighting companies. There's a distinct difference between installing a few big box store or solar lights yourself and truly transforming your property's outdoor spaces with high-quality LED brass fixtures for maximum nighttime impact. Professionally designed and installed custom outdoor lighting not only wows your guests with dramatic visual effects, it also extends their use and enjoyment of your outdoor areas. Your exterior spaces become their own destinations, attracting attention long after the sun goes down. Seek out a lighting specialist that will provide stunning designs, flawless functionality, and premium fixtures with the best warranties in the industry. Foot traffic from guests, grounds maintenance, and landscape overgrowth can all affect the integrity of your lighting system. That's why it's important to hire a professional company that will perform regular service and maintenance to ensure it continues to look and perform as it did on day one. Outdoor Lighting Perspectives has been the most trusted source in outdoor lighting since 1995, with over 200,000 installations nationwide. We do one thing and one thing only: professional architectural, landscape, and holiday lighting. Discover the difference for yourself. Contact Outdoor Lighting Perspectives today for a complimentary design consultation.